This is Tom with Opal in Carroll Stream, where we are doing a project for a customer. We're looking at the old siding on the side of the house here. We're doing new vinyl siding, shutters, a new entry door, and some stonework. Here's the new entry door, dark mahogany, Provia entry door. And here's the stonework, Versetta stone. You can see that looks very nice. Here's another shot of it here. We're going to go around to the side of the house where we'll be doing the siding here shortly. The siding color is Scottish Thistle. And again, here we'll see what it looks like. Right here on the back of the house, you can see a better view of it. And then black shutters as well. And then the, again, shutters, siding, entry door, and the stonework here in Carroll Stream.